Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the two of the main functions of leaf, which is transpiration and photosynthesis. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about transpiration and then we are going to discuss about the photosynthesis process. So what is transpiration? Transpiration, students, extra water present in plant is removed by the process of transpiration. Okay, you know very well that plants need water for their food preparation process and various other functions. Okay, so extra water present in plants is removed by the process of transpiration. Okay, so this water is lost, water is removed from the leaf. In leaf small pores are present. Okay, in leaf small pores are present. These small pores are known as stomata. What are they named as? These small pores are known as stomata. Okay, so from this stomata extra water present in plant is released in the atmosphere. From this stomatas are present in the leaves. Okay, at the bottom of the leaves. Okay, so from this stomata extra water present in plant is released in the atmosphere. So what is the transpiration process? It is the process of removing extra water or releasing the extra water in atmosphere, and this process is known as transpiration. Process of removing the extra water in the atmosphere is known as transpiration. Okay, so this water is lost with the help of leaf. Okay, leaves helps in removing the extra water present in plants. In leaves small pores are present, small holes are present. Okay, through these small holes and small opening water will be released in the atmosphere. Next important function of plant is photosynthesis. And what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is process of food preparation in plants. Okay, photosynthesis is the process of food preparation in plants. Plants prepare their own food, na? We know that plants prepare their own food. So what is the meaning of word photo? Photo means light. And what is the meaning of word synthesis? Synthesis means to prepare. Okay, so in the presence of light plants prepare their own food. And where is the location of food preparation in plants? Food are prepared in leaves of the plant. Okay, mostly food is prepared in leaves of the plant. Okay, in with the help of sunlight plants prepare their food, plants synthesize their food. Okay, at which location? At the location of leaves. Okay, plants prepare their food in the leaves. So what are the raw materials required by the plants to prepare food? Raw material required by the plants are: one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the plant from the atmosphere. Okay, one is water, and plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, plants absorb water. Okay, when these two mixes with each other, When carbon dioxide mixes with water, then plants prepare their food. Okay, and when plants prepare their food, also oxygen gas is produced during this process. Okay, also oxygen gas is produced during this process. So carbon dioxide will combine with water. Okay, and they will combine in the presence of sunlight. Carbon dioxide will combine with water. They will combine in the presence of sunlight. And where will they combine? They will combine in the leaf part of a plant. Okay, they will combine in the leaf part of a plant. Green color of leaf part is due to the chlorophyll present in it. Okay, plants have green color because there is chlorophyll present in it. So in the location of leaf, in the leaf chlorophyll is present, and in the chlorophyll food is prepared by the plants. Okay, so plants react with plants prepare their food by combining carbon dioxide with water in the presence of sunlight. At the location of a chlorophyll, plants will prepare food, and also plants will prepare oxygen while the photosynthesis process. So for one of the function of leaf of a plant is transpiration. Transpiration is releasing extra water in the atmosphere. Okay, and plants releases extra water from the leaves remove extra water present in plants. Okay, there is a small opening or small hole present in plant which is known as stomata. This hole can open or close. Okay, this hole can open or close. When this will open, extra water will be removed from the plants and it will go into the atmosphere. Okay, next process is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis process? Photosynthesis process is the preparation of food by the plants. Plants prepare their own food. Okay, plants in the photo means light, synthesis means to prepare. So plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. Okay, in the, plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and also plants absorb water from water which is given to the plant. So carbon dioxide will mix with water. Okay, in the presence of sunlight, and they mix in at the location of leaf. In leaf chlorophyll is present. Okay, in chlorophyll these two will combine with each other. Carbon dioxide and water will combine in the chlorophyll. Okay, so they will prepare food, and also they will prepare oxygen which is consumed by whole of the living organism. Okay, so plants prepare their food, and also plants releases oxygen during the photosynthesis process. Thank you.